Self-study lessons packs. Learn and practice English at home alone, fast and easy. Hi. Welcome to Simple English YouTube channel. Today our topic is, there is. Read after me. There is an aeroplane. There is an aeroplane. There is an ant. There is an ant. There is a bag. There is a bag. There is a banana. There is a banana. There is a beetroot. There is a beetroot. There is a bird. There is a bird. There is a blackboard. There is a blackboard. There is a book. There is a book. There is a bottle. There is a bottle. There is a bread. There is a bread. There is a bun. There is a bun. There is a butterfly. There is a butterfly. There is a carrot. There is a carrot. There is a cat. There is a cat. There is a caterpillar. There is a caterpillar. There is a chair. There is a chair. There is a classroom. There is a classroom. There is a cock. There is a cock. There is a college. There is a college. There is a cow. There is a cow. There is a crow. There is a crow. There is a desk. There is a desk. There is a dog. There is a dog. There is a door. There is a door. There is an eraser. There is an eraser. There is a flower. There is a flower. There is a hen. There is a hen. There is an ice cream. There is an ice cream. There is a kite. There is a kite. There is a letter. There is a letter. There is a mango. There is a mango. There is a newspaper. There is a newspaper. There is a notice board. There is a notice board. There is an owl. There is an owl. There is a parrot. There is a parrot. There is a pawpaw. There is a pawpaw. There is a pencil. There is a pencil. There is a pineapple. There is a pineapple. There is a potato. There is a potato. There is a pumpkin. There is a pumpkin. There is a roof. There is a roof. There is a rose apple. There is a rose apple. There is a ruler. There is a ruler. There is a school. There is a school. There is a star. There is a star. There is a table. There is a table. There is a teacher. There is a teacher. There is an umbrella. There is an umbrella. There is a wall. There is a wall. There is a window. There is a window.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.